I'm Larry Burton, and I'm in Boise, Idaho. Well, I heard about LeafFilter from my best friend, and he has a huge oak tree in his backyard, and we're both kind of elderly, so he didn't want to get up and do gutter cleaning anymore. So he did LeafFilter at his house, and his oak tree and gutter and stuff like that, he was happy with that. So okay, I got LeafFilter for my house because I've got 7 trees on this property, and I wouldn't have to get up in a ladder and do gutter cleaning. The sales rep was complete and thorough, courteous, honest, great presentation, and the installation went fine, and clean, courteous, everything was great.